Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can download a video from Facebook totally for free. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is just head over to your Facebook app and find the video that you actually want to download. Now, for example, I want to download this video. What I need to do now is just, when I'm on this tab, press the little button with three dots next to the follow button. This should open up a menu like this, and here we are actually going to select copy link, which is the second to last option. Once you've done that, your video's link should be copied to your phone's clipboard. Now, after we've done that, we're just going to type in our web browser, download video from Facebook. And after that, we are going to scroll down to getfvid.com, which is this one right here. We're going to enter on it, and here you should see this tab where it says enter video URL. We're going to hold it and just hit paste. Now this should paste the link to our video, and we're just going to click on download button. And now it's loading in order to download our video, and that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Now this should allow you to download whatever video you want from Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.